Hello children, good morning to you. See, I am going to give you phrases, how to use the phrases. What are phrases? In the beginning I told you? A group of words which give some meaning. Okay, such words in your textbook we have got once upon a time, means some days ago, some years ago. A waste of time means wasting time. Doing anything is just like waste of time. I don't want to play with you. It's waste of time, you tell. Okay. Kill time. We got it in our lesson. Kill time means to waste the time, just to pass the time without doing any work is called killing time. Too much time on my hands means I have much time in my hand to do any work. Time flies means time passes very fast. Understand? Like this, we are using these words in sentences. Okay? Then, after this, let me see what to be done. So, complete these sentences with the time phrases from the box. You may see the dictionary to help you. Don't write all that. Only heading we write. Okay? English. Only first line of heading we write. Complete these sentences complete these sentences with the time phrases means the phrases which are connected with the time, which gives the meaning of time. Understand? Here 5 are given. First we will use them. Okay. First one, once upon a time. Once upon a time. Second one, a waste of time. A waste of time. You are choosing from these. Third one, kill time. Too much time. Too much time. Too much time on my hands. Too much time on my hands. Time flies. These are the time phrases we have got. Once upon a time, a waste of time, kill time, too much time on my hands, time flies. These are the phrases which are formed by using the word time. Understand? You know very well the meaning of time. I don't have any time. With the time like that we can make so many other phrases also. First, let us do with the things what are given in the textbook. It is given on page number 51, children. After I write on the blackboard, you please have a textbook in front of you and check it. You are writing in the textbook also answers and even in the notebook also. First you are writing the heading, then taking these phrases in the box. Draw a box like this. Here I can't do, okay, no problem, I can also do it. Like this, let us make the box. And we are choosing from this box the words. Okay, first let me do with the textbook work. If time permits, we have still time after doing this work, I will give my own phrases also. Or else, I will give you one worksheet later. Our holiday has gone. First one. Our holiday has gone. Our holiday has gone by. So, our holiday has gone by so quickly. Our holiday has gone by so quickly. Dash when you are having fun. Dash dash passes very fast. Out of this what? When you are having fun. When you are having fun. So when we have fun, we need lot of time. But that time, how much our time we use, how much our time we play, we think, oh God, time is flying like anything. Means it is passing so quickly. So in this box, which word, which phrase suits here? Time flies. Time flies. So our holiday has gone by so quickly. Time flies when you are having fun. We don't even have any control on us. We feel still time is there and we go on playing, but time will be over. So time passes very quickly when we are playing. But when we are studying, అబ్బా ఇంకా ఎంతసేపు మమ్మీ చదువుమంటావు, how much I should read a teacher, అబ్బా still I have to write, you feel, yes or no? That time you want to kill the time, you don't want to pass the time that time. So here what happened? If you are playing, time passes very fast. So here the word time flies is very very correct. So our holiday has gone by so quickly. Time flies when you are having fun. This is a complete sentence. After making the box, leave a line, then write this sentence. Underline the blank with red pencil. Leave one line and then take the second one. Okay, what is second one? Dash, this city used to have several gardens and parks. Once upon a time, once upon a time, this city once upon a time once upon a time, comma, this city Once upon a time, this city used to have used to have used to have several gardens and parks. Several gardens and parks. Several gardens and parks. So this is second sentence. Once upon a time, this city used to have several gardens and parks. This is second. Now I have to rub this heading and these sentences first. So this everything is in your textbook only. Even then you are copying from the blackboard also, not a problem. Pause and copy. Okay. Complete these sentences with the time phrases. Once upon a time, a waste of time, kill time. Kill time. Too much time on my hand. Too much time on my hand. Hands. Time flies. So we used two. Which one? Time flies and once upon a time. Remaining three are left. Our holidays has gone by so quickly. Time flies when you are having fun. Once upon a time, this city used to have several gardens and parks. Okay, so I need to rub the complete board with the heading also. Because three more big sentences we have to write. So, for options, you see the textbook page number 51. Here goes the third one. We arrived at the cinema. We arrived at the cinema at 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, comma, but the film didn't start. But the film didn't start. But the film didn't start till 8. Till 8. So we walked around trying to. So we walked around trying to dash. Kill time. Kill time means pass time. So, we arrived at the cinema at 7 o'clock. But the film didn't start till 8. So we walked around trying to kill time. We arrived at the cinema at 7 o'clock. But the film didn't start till 8. So we walked around trying to kill time. So third one we used kill time. Check into your textbook. I went all the way. I went all the way. I went all the way museum this morning. But most of the rooms were closed for repair. Were closed for repair. It was just dash. It was just a waste of time. It was just a waste of time. See, simply they went, or he went to visit the museum, but most of the rooms were closed. Why? For making the repairy work. So it was a waste of time for him, just going and coming back without seeing anything. So here which time phrase suits? A waste of time. I went all the way to the museum this morning, but most of the rooms were closed for repair. It was just a waste of time. So we used four. First one, time flies. Second one, once upon a time. Third one, kill time. Fourth one, a waste of time. And left one is too much time on my hands. Let us read once again. We arrived at the cinema at 7 o'clock, but the film didn't start till 8. So we walked around trying to kill time. I went all the way to the museum this morning, but most of the rooms were closed for repair. It was just a waste of time. Then fifth one I am going to write here. Fifth one. The school is closed for summer. The school is closed for summer. The school is closed for summer. My friends have gone out. My friends have gone out. Gone out. Gone out of town. Out of town. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do all day. What to do all day. I have got too much much time, too much time on too much time on I have got too much time on my hands. Means I have lot of time, not able to pass the time. The school is closed for summer. The school is closed for summer. My friends have gone out of town. My friends have gone out of town. I don't know what to do all day. I have got too much time on my hands. Means I have a lot of time. I don't know what to do. So these are the 5 sentences we have got on time phrase. Okay. I can give you 2 more on my own. Understand? So let me write on my own what I want to do. Time 6. This is from my own side. Time is money. We have to make proper use of it. Proper use of it. 7th. I want to learn. I want to learn the use of mobile because it is the need of time. The need of time. See, it is all on my own experience I am giving you this last one. Because you know how to take the video, it is need of time. Otherwise, when school is going on properly, we did not need to do all these things. Even you also have to sit and watch the videos and study. We have to, make the videos and send you. This is all, it is the need of time. Understand? We need to do it. But it is the demand of this time. This is how we can use the, time phrases. Okay. From the beginning I read from the textbook. Just listen to me. Our holiday has gone by so quickly. Dash when you are having fun. Time flies when you are having fun. Dash, this city used to have several gardens and parks. Once upon a time, this city used to have several gardens and parks. We arrived at the cinema at 7 o'clock. But The film did not start till 8. So we walked around trying to kill time. I went all the way to the museum this morning, but most of the rooms were closed for repair. It was a waste of time. The school is closed for summer. My friends have gone out of town. I don't know what to do all day. I have got a lot of time on my hands. The remaining two I give on my own. We have to make uh, proper use of dash. We have to make proper use of it. Time is money. We have to make proper use of it. I want to learn the use of mobile because it is the need of time. So this is how I give. Okay. Here ends our class, children. Please copy them properly. Last two are from my side. Don't miss them. And tomorrow I am going to give same words, same five words, phrases for your worksheet. Give my own sentences. You have to fill up. Got what I said? So now here ends our class. Thank you.